If you want that a woman is happy, you have to treat her in a very gentle way. Although women are emotionally strong, they themselves feel as if they are emotionally weak and sensitive, especially in a relationship. If a woman is alone, she can easily be strong, but in a relationship, woman experiences happiness if she can be fragile, if she can be weak, if she can express all her fears, her worries, her sadness, her capriciousness, if she can express all these emotions, and if a man is able to treat her in a gentle way, to pacify her, then she experiences happiness. So whenever there are some problems, when something is going wrong, be very gentle. Try to tell her only very soft things and very nice things. Tell her that you're the most peaceful, you're the most nicest, you're the most gentle, everything will be okay. Let's say if a woman is capricious and demanding and asking for this and that, you just tell to her, my dear, you are the most peaceful. I have not seen any so self-satisfied girl, and you are telling me something. Can you please explain, what do you want, peaceful girl? And she will understand this as a joke because it's told in a very soft, very calm way, and she can accept only jokes that are made in this way, and then she will start to smile. But if you tell something roughly, then it will not help. So you always have to treat her as if she is made out of glass, of porcelain, that she is very gentle, because she feels herself like that. And if you treat her as if she is made of glass, if she is very gentle, very fragile, then everything will be alright. But if you do not treat her in this way, then there will be lamentation, there will be suffering, and there will be no happiness. So always treat her in a very gentle way.